My name is Kolisa and my surname is Masiso. I've been working at Tumtumbi for 3 years this year. I'm going to talk about writing workshop. Why is it important? In our classroom, it is very important to do a writing workshop. The reason why we did that, we want the children to know how to write, to know how to tell the stories, because in our writing, we just guide them. After that, they think for themselves. We're not going to think for them. They think what are going to write. So they think excellent things. For example, one of the child, they're thinking about, she's going to write about the forest, where going to fetch the woods and come back to make a fire. After that, cook the food. After they finish to cook the food, they just give the food for their parents and their sisters and their brothers. That's nice.